Hey guys, Jeremy Droppo here. Today I'm gonna show you a little woodworking project that you might want to do. A little paperweight desk thing for pencil holder, pen holder. But before I show you that, we're gonna take a little tour around Lone Creek Ranch. Show you some cows real quick and the donkeys, and just do a little fun thing around the farm. These are called 18 goats is what I heard. It's what my brother told me anyway. They're salt and pepper, obviously, because of the color of them, salt and pepper. We got ducks and some specialty chickens. I'm doing this video on my iPhone. Don't have a GoPro or anything with me right now, so yeah, the hay bale's out there. I don't know where the donkey's at right now. Anyway, we're just gonna hopefully be able to get me in the background by just doing a quick flip around of the phone and see how this works out. I know I can do some video editing on the software, but I don't really feel like doing that. So we're gonna go over here. And see if I can find an example of where this project started with on one of these trees. We got some trees marked out here by the creek. This little farm, it's a dry creek. Last year this area right here, this whole area, this little dry creek was all flooded, actually really flooded. So here we go. So the project that I worked on today, basically kind of take in this right here. So we would cut right here, cut right here, so you would have this, and then make a cut basically right here, so you'd have the two spots here and then a flat spot, so you would want that the two pieces kind of sticking, and you'll see what I'm talking about when I show you the next piece. Don't really know with the wind how well you're going to be able to hear this video. I guess we'll see. And here's one of the trees that we got marked to cut down. A little broom for the cows to rub on right there. There's a few of those around. Just thought this would be a cool little video before I show you what I worked on, what I did today, the little project. My little table here, so here's what I did. Like I showed you, here's the cuts of the thing here, this cut, and then took a drill, drove it, made sure it was big enough to stick, and then I made sure it was big enough to go a bigger pen, or like a Sharpie marker to fit in here tightly. For this one, I did my daughter's nickname video. And if you're interested, there will be a link down below if you're interested in learning how I make money sharing videos like this, and learning how to make money online, learn how to make money sharing videos on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, whatever you choose, and actually learn how to automate those types of things and make a little extra side income by doing so. There will be a link down below in the description. I do get a commission if you decide to join that, but you can also learn how to make some extra money by doing that as well. All the training is in that program to learn how to do all of that. There's a lot of automation too in that system. Please check it out if you're interested. Have an awesome day. God bless. Hope you enjoyed this video. Take care.